New free Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro AI agent is insane. You are wasting hours doing things AI can already do for you. You are picking the wrong tools, and you are paying for stuff you don't have to pay for. There is a brand new AI agent out right now. It is completely free to try, and it just went head to head with Claude Opus and nearly won. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it. Hey, I'm Ava, your AI educator. I break down AI tools so you can actually use them, not just read about them. Today, we are looking at Xiaomi's Mimo V2 Pro. It dropped on March 18th, 2026, and the AI community is already going crazy over it. What it is, why it matters, how to access it for free, and what you can build with it. Let's get into it. What is Mimo V2 Pro Xiaomi? Yes, that Xiaomi, the smartphone company. They have been quietly building a serious AI research team, and Mimo V2 Pro is their biggest release yet. Here's the wild part. Before it was even officially announced, it was secretly live on OpenRouter under a mystery name called Hunter Alpha. Nobody knew who made it. The AI community was testing it, loving it, and most people assumed it was DeepSeek V4. It topped the daily usage charts for multiple days and passed 1 trillion tokens in total usage before Xiaomi revealed what it was. Then on March 18th, they pulled back the curtain. Hunter Alpha was Mimo V2 Pro all along. So what exactly is it? It is a trillion parameter model with over 1 trillion total parameters and 42 billion active at any time. It uses a mixture of experts architecture, which means it only activates the parts of the model it needs for each task, keeping it fast even at that scale. It supports a 1 million token context window, meaning you can feed it entire code bases or long documents without it losing track. And on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, a leading global benchmark, it ranks 8th worldwide and 2nd among all Chinese AI models. How to access it for free: 2 main ways. First, Xiaomi's own AI studio at aistudio.xiaomimimo.com. Sign up and start prompting directly. It's their version of a chat interface, built specifically for Mimo models. Second, and this is the one most people will want, Xiaomi partnered with 5 major AI coding frameworks to give free API access for 1 week at launch. Those 5 are OpenClaw, OpenCode, KiloCode, Blackbox, and Klein. In KiloCode, you just open the model picker, look for Mimo V2 Pro labeled free, and select it. Done. For developers who want to go further, the public API is live at platform.xiaomimimo.com. The pricing is seriously competitive. Standard context up to 256,000 tokens costs $1 per million input tokens and $3 per million output. Claude 4.6 runs 3 and 15, and Claude Opus 4.6 is 5 and 25, and Cache Write is temporarily free right now, which cuts costs even further. OpenClaw and why it matters. OpenClaw keeps coming up with Mimo V2 Pro, so let me explain it quickly. OpenClaw is an open-source agent framework. It handles the actual clicking, file operations, and browser interactions. Mimo V2 Pro acts as the brain. The model decides what to do, OpenClaw executes it. Xiaomi fine-tuned Mimo V2 Pro specifically for this kind of agent workflow, giving it stronger tool call accuracy and multi-step reasoning. On the standard OpenClaw benchmarks, Mimo V2 Pro is at the global top tier. On PinchBench, it scored 81.0, placing it 3rd globally behind Claude Opus 4.6 at 81.5 and Mimo V2 Omni at 81.2. On Claude, it scored 61.5, again 3rd globally, with Claude Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6 above it at 66.3 each. But it is clearly ahead of Gemini 3 Pro at 51.9 and GPT 5.2 at 50.0. When I started digging into agentic AI workflows, I honestly had no idea where to start. There are so many tools, and it is easy to go down the wrong path. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Real use cases, practical implementations. If you are serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out, link in description. Building websites and games. Let's talk about what you can actually build. In the official demos, Xiaomi showed Mimo V2 Pro generating a complete website from a single prompt. The example asked for a 1990s print magazine aesthetic, serif and monospace fonts, multi-column grid, sepia-filtered images with a noise overlay, and page-turn transition effects. Mimo V2 Pro built it in one go inside OpenClaw, fully functional and visually complete. No back and forth. No fixing broken output. They also showed it building a full 3D tower defense game from a single prompt. Multiple tower types, varied enemy patterns, upgrade paths, explosion effects, health displays, pause and restart controls, multiple difficulty levels, using 3.js or Babylon.js. That is genuinely complex software, and the model handled it end to end. This is where the 1 million token context window earns its value. Complex game logic means a lot of code. The model needs to hold all of it in context to produce something coherent. A smaller context window would lose track. Mimo V2 Pro doesn't. Xiaomi's internal engineers who tested the model deeply reported that its coding experience approaches Claude Opus 4.6, with stronger system design, cleaner code style, and more efficient problem solving. And during the Hunter alpha testing phase, when nobody knew what the model was, the top app categories by call volume were all coding-focused tools. Real developers were already using it heavily and getting solid results. Benchmarks at a glance, the quick version on where it sits. 8th globally on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index. 3rd on PinchBench, 3rd on Claw Eval. Pricing at roughly 1/5 of Claude Opus 4.6 for standard context. During early version community testing on OpenRouter, users consistently reported it outperforming Claude Sonnet 4.6 in the majority of scenarios, though Xiaomi notes that was pre-final testing and not the finished model's performance. The performance is competitive, the price advantage is significant, and the free access window is open right now. Quick recap: Mimo V2 Pro, trillion parameter AI agent, 42 billion active parameters, 1 million token context window. Launched March 18, 2026. Spent a week anonymously topping OpenRouter as Hunter Alpha before anyone knew what it was. Access it free through Kilo Code, Klein, OpenClaw, OpenCode, or Blackbox during the launch week. Test it in Xiaomi's AI Studio at aistudio.xiaomimimo.com or hit the public API at platform.xiaomimimo.com. It was built for agentic work. It can build complete websites and games from a single prompt, and it competes with the top models at a fraction of the cost. Worth testing while the free access is still live. If you are looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time. Which ones to skip. No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It has helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description. And if you want the full process, step-by-step SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are doing incredible things with AI. I'll see you in the next one.